Non-fungible tokens. Can you really make money by selling them? Why, yes you can. There have been pictures, graphics, videos, songs, you name it, that have been sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars on various NFT marketplaces. So how does it work, and is it really worth it? I am Andy Contaguglia. I am the owner and the founder of the Contaguglia Law Firm here in Denver, Colorado. The world of crypto and blockchain has become a prominent conversation as people explore ways to invest and diversify their assets. And the conversation has recently weighed in heavily toward NFTs. So now, if you're thinking about purchasing an NFT or trading NFTs in general, make sure that you watch your recent video on how to buy NFTs to get a full scope of view of exactly what we're talking about here. All right, but in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can become a creator and put your pictures, music, art, and videos up on an NFT marketplace and ensure that you are maximizing your efforts and overall down the line, your profits. All right, so let's sit down for some coffee, bagels, and legal. Let's talk a little bit about how to sell NFTs in a way that will benefit you the most. Before we start, let's brush up on what an NFT actually is. An NFT, or a non-fungible token, is a unique, authentic, and irreplaceable digital asset that can be bought or sold using digital currency, usually Ethereum. So think of the word fungible as replaceable. It's a non-replaceable token. It's a one-of-a-kind token or an asset that can be bought and sold on a specific marketplace like OpenSea.io or Rarible.com. There are actually a variety of NFT marketplaces out there, but be selective. Some have better security protections than others, and that matters when you're turning your hard-earned dollars into a digital asset. As an artist or a content creator, you can take any type of media or content to this marketplace and mint it or turn it into an NFT. You need to create a crypto wallet as needed per the specific marketplace to cover any fees associated with selling on that platform. But from there, it's as simple as uploading your file and selecting the terms for how you want to sell your work. So let's say your friend Fred was a graphic designer and created an image of a pixelated alien with a mask on while he was eating Cheetos in his parents' basement. It's a fairly weird, unique, and topically influenced piece of art that he uploads onto an NFT marketplace and puts it up for sale. After a few months, the bids start rolling in and people who think it's a magnificent piece of art and it symbolizes the way of today's society. After a little while, the asset sells at a whopping $11.8 million. And now Fred has moved out of his mom and dad's basement, and now he lives in a penthouse down in Miami. What happened to Fred is actually based on a true story. A company called Larva Labs put this alien art up for sale as an NFT, and they cashed out. It's amazing, right? But let's look at what Fred's story could have been if he did things a little bit differently. For one, Fred could have sold himself short in thinking nobody would be interested in his alien art. He could have set a fixed price of, say, $1,000. Right? To a hungry artist, that sounds like a lot, but that's only if you don't know that $11.8 million is in the cards for you. So at a fixed price, a buyer could come in, simply purchase the asset for what you list it, be on their way. All right, Fred thinks he won, but he doesn't account for the giant opportunity and the cost that he incurred by setting a fixed price. Now, what if this individual that purchases the alien art decides to later resell it? Does Fred get a cut? Well, it really all depends on how he set up his NFT to begin with. When you first go to upload your art or media and mint it as an NFT, you do have the option to collect royalties on every transaction that is made after you sell it. If the NFT platform you're using doesn't have that option, you might want to consider a new NFT marketplace to sell it on. Right now, this is a big deal. Run with this. If you are an artist, you should collect royalties off of your work for the lifetime of the work. Every time it gets traded or sold, you get a cut. Don't overlook this when you're setting up your NFT, and make sure you continue to benefit from your creation even if you are no longer the owner of it. Take a look at music artists who come out with new album releases. They put it up on Spotify, put it up on Apple Music, and every time someone listens to that song, they get paid. It's fractional, but over and over and over, they get paid. And that same concept applies to the nature of your NFT. The NFT marketplace could actually help somewhat broken royalty system that currently exists for musicians. Right? Oftentimes musicians don't register their work correctly, and they miss out on the money that they could have made if they had actually registered the work correctly. This is actually classified as unallocated royalties, and it's estimated that artists around the world lose hundreds of millions of dollars every year because of the broken royalty system. The NFT marketplace, however, has the potential to fix that, so as long as the creators allocate their settings appropriately when they publish their work for sale, they should be able to get paid down the line. All right, so what's my advice? Learn from Fred, or the hypothetical that Fred encountered. Register your work on an NFT marketplace in a way that benefits you the most. Include royalties. Let people bid on your work. And don't think that something you make is weird. What's weird to many is gold to some, and you could sell a picture for an alien for millions of dollars. Art is in the eye of the beholder. How the world has changed. If you have any questions about how to maximize your efforts as an artist or a content creator, feel free to drop me a line. I'm always happy to be an informal sounding board to you as you grow your brand and your business. This channel here is to guide you in making the right business decisions to keep your brand, operations, and overarching business protected for years to come. Here at the Contiguglia Law Firm, we deliver ambitious, creative legal and business solutions to the never complacent business leader so you can feel confident that you and your company are protected. Hopefully this video did just that, and if so, please click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button below, and get updates as we release new videos weekly. For more information and resources, please visit our website at www.contiguglia.com so you can stay informed on what you can do to protect and scale your business successfully. Again, I'm Andy Contiguglia, and remember, until next time, don't skip the legal.